So what is this Better Brand's Mullein leaf extract? This Better Brand Mullein leaf extract is a combination of chlorophyll and mullein. Now, chlorophyll and mullein are two distinct herbal additives. Chlorophyll is a strong antioxidant, while mullein is a strong anti-inflammatory herbal additive. It takes 5 seconds to take for a month, and this lung cleanse will help you develop a cough to get rid of all the mucus in your lungs from smoking or air pollution, or just any respiratory problems in general. And if you're older, chances are you've been exposed to different types of free radicals in the air, which you're going to be needing to do a lung cleanse once a year at minimum. Right now, it's kind of a bad time to do it because it's 50% off, so it's selling out super fast. But if it's still available for Cyber Monday, you can get it right here in this link below.